Hey everyone, my name is Ken, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to build a profitable e-commerce sales funnel. Now, the best part is I'm going to give you a bunch of free stuff today. The first thing is free access to my sales funnel templates library. Now, this will be continuously growing as I add more sales funnels templates to this library. I'll also give you my copy templates, and I'll also give you an invite to a 10-day challenge that teaches you how to build an e-com business in as little as 10 days. So to get all of this, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and click the link in my description. It'll take you to this page. Simply fill out this form and you will get access. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to build an e-commerce sales funnel that is profitable. Now, this sales funnel is not like a standard Shopify store. This is going to be a 3-step sales funnel that can sell digital products and also physical products. Now, what's unique about this e-com sales funnel is that the first step is a 2-step tripwire page. And that essentially means the form that people fill out to order your product is actually a 2-step form. And it's really powerful, very unique. I'll show you how to build one in a moment. After they make their first purchase, they will get taken to not the thank you page or the order confirmation page, but they take you to an upsell page where you have the opportunity to sell another product or maybe more of that same product they purchased on step 1. And if they decide to upsell, to take the upsell or not, they will then be taken to the confirmation page. Now, according to Shopify, this e-com sales funnel actually converts 137% higher than a standard e-commerce website. Okay, so ClickFunnels has tons of these templates that you can choose from. For this video, I'm going to select this green one. Now, this one is all about supplements. So if you want to sell supplements, you could do that, health items, even products that you don't necessarily have to fulfill yourself. You can connect it to something like Zendrop, where you can sell products and then they get fulfilled for you. So I'm going to click on Customize Now. So as you can see, this is a 3-step funnel, and the first step is the cart page, and this is where the 2-step tripwire feature comes into play. So as you can see, this doesn't look like a standard Shopify website. Okay, so it's only focused on one product. Now, what's great about this template is that you could basically change all of this copy and content to your own, right? So if you want to, of course, you're going to have to change all of the text. You're going to have to change out the images and of course, change out this content right here, but everything is nicely laid out for you and it's intended to convert for you. Okay, so let me show you the 2-step tripwire funnel. Okay, so it's essentially a funnel within a funnel. So it's a 2-step tripwire because on the first step, this is where users add their contact information. And then on the second step, this is where they can choose their delivery information, so standard or next day, and then add their payment information to officially submit their order and pay. Now, most likely the majority of users will not go to step 2. They'll just fill out this first step, and then once they go to step 2, they might change their minds or they might not be ready. But that's actually okay because you already collected their contact information, which means you can contact them later and encourage them to actually make a purchase, right? So they're giving you their email and you can ask for their phone number as well. So if you have their email, you can send them various email campaigns and encourage them to make a purchase, educate them about your product and so forth. Okay, so this is what makes this 2-step tripwire funnel so powerful. Now it says there are no products configured. So let me configure the product right now. So I'm going to go back to this overview page and then I'm going to click on add products. And I currently have a handful of digital and physical products. So I'm going to click on this organic supplement just as an example, then click on update. So now I have my product tied to this page And what I could also do is add another product as a offer bump. Okay, so let me show you what that is. So it's essentially, when you are in a grocery store and you see all the candy at the checkout lane or the magazines, those are kind of like last minute items that people can purchase. So that's essentially what an order bump is. Like they didn't go to this page to get an order bump, they went to purchase the main product. But we're going to offer them another product. Okay, so I'm going to click on add product. And what's good is that you can even add a course or anything digital as well. So I'm going to add this supplement course that ties in with my organic supplement product. And I'm going to move this to the order bump section and click on update. And now I have two products tied to this page. And then for the one-time offer page, so this is where we have the opportunity to sell them something else or maybe more of the same product on the first page. So I'm going to add a product and I'm just going to say I want to select the same product from the first step where we can actually have them purchase more of that product, because if they're going to be using it every day, they most likely will be needing more. So might as well purchase now at a discount while they still can. Okay, so our two-step tripwire funnel is really complete. You can edit the text if you want, but I think this looks really good. So this is the product, right? The organic supplement at $19.99, down from $29.99. And the offer bump is right here. So if they want, they can check this to get the supplement course for $97, and then they can submit to make the purchase. So let me show you how this works in real time. Okay, so this is our profitable e-commerce sales funnel. So this is the very important two-step tripwire form. So the first step is the standard contact information. So I just put some dummy text here, and then people click on place order now, and it'll take you to the second step. Now, many people will leave this part, but that's okay because on the first step, you already have their contact information. So you can email them and encourage them to make a purchase. Okay, so let's go back to step 2. So this is the product. We're going to put our dummy credit card information right here. And this is the offer bump. Okay, so this is something that they can purchase, including the original product. So you can offer a bump. This is $97. And this is the order summary. And then you click on submit. And this is the second step. So this is where you have an opportunity to sell them more of the same product or maybe offer something different. But as you know, I set it up to where the second page is the same product. Okay, so ClickFunnels knows that. So when they just click on this button, it'll automatically add to their order cart. Or they can say, no thanks, I don't need this right now, but I'm just gonna click on yes, I want to save. Okay, and we are done. They added that additional product to their cart. And these are all of the items that they purchased with a breakdown of the pricing and the total. So this is why it's so important to have an e-commerce sales funnel versus a standard Shopify website where it's not too focused on driving users down a single path, right? You want to drive users down a single path, and you can do that with this type of e-commerce sales funnel. Now, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and click the link in my description to fill out this form to get access to tons of my free sales funnels templates, copy templates, and I'll invite you to this 10-day challenge where you can learn how to launch your ecom business, and they will go over how to set all of this up very easily. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.